I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the car you intend to keep. Buy it or steal and personalize it immediately. Once done, drive straight to Los Santos Customs and make visible permanent mods. This flags the vehicle as yours. Then, make sure to return home and park the vehicle inside an owned garage space. Saving the game after parking writes its state to your save file. Do these steps now. They're the practical foundation because story mode lacks traditional insurance. Next, personalize the car so the game recognizes it as yours. Change plates, paint, and add parts at customs. These changes reduce the chance it won't be treated as stored. Once customized, drive into your own garage and leave the vehicle inside, then save the game from the menu or trigger an autosave by sleeping. Make sure to swap characters and return. If the car persists, it's secured. These steps replicate the protection insurance would provide in story mode. Finish by doing one last manual save after parking the car in your garage. This is the single most important action because story mode does not offer in-game insurance. If the vehicle goes missing, immediately check every owned garage, reload a recent save, or revert to an earlier session. That's your recovery path. If you keep losing cars, stop using them in demolition missions and maintain duplicate saved vehicles across different properties, so you always have a backup ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.